Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm working on the ship's wheel, working on a modification. In the top right hand corner is a picture of the ship's wheel if we follow the instructions. In the second picture, that is Victory's ship wheel that I'm hoping to replicate. I'm just measuring up some 5mm by 2mm, measuring it 22mm long, which is the height of the quarter deck up to the poop deck. This is the piece that I will be carving. After carving out the rough outline shape, I'm now getting it sand. Just sanding it around the edges. I'm just adding some support brackets. Just made these out of brass and built them to a little L bracket shape. Just using some styrene, cut them about 1/2mm thick, and I can use these to replicate the raised panels that you can see painted gold on the front of the ship's wheel. Just using a little bit of super glue, just a few dots. Using some needle nose pliers just to try and line it up. Just leave it for a few seconds to slightly hold, and obviously just use a little off-cut wood just to press it into shape. Now just adding a little bit more super glue to the second side. Just fold it over and hold it in place. Just a few seconds till the glue holds. The glue is dry, so now it's time to trim off the plastic. I'd actually left the plastic a little bit too long, so it's a little bit hard to file down, so I decided to just trim a little bit more off. I was using a brand new blade, so I could get really close. I've added all the raised detail. It's not really that clear in this photo, but you should be able to see a bit later when it's finally finished painted. All I'm doing now is giving it a light coat of a grey primer. I gave the part a second coat of black, just using the matte black. I painted that off camera. So now what I'm doing is I'm just painting the raised panels, trying to highlight the detail. Try to be as accurate as possible, but it's not over important if you do catch the black, because it's a little bit easier to cut back in with the black. Just using a Triplo brush, brand new one, a really fine tip. And that's the part all painted and ready to be assembled to the rest of the ship's wheel. I painted the ship's wheel already in a previous video. Just having a dab of super glue and attaching the back side of the ship's wheel I didn't do much to that really, just added a couple of support brackets and that's about it. This picture I just added a few bits of rope, or string to replicate rope. And that's the part all glued together, ready to be fitted to Victory. Okay, it's time to fit the ship's wheel. I've already added 2 small blocks either side. I drilled a mill hole in each one and I will use them to thread this rope through. Just using a pair of tweezers just to thread the rope through the holes. Then I'll just secure it down with a touch of super glue. Just change the angle now, moved it around so you can see from the port side. As I use my tweezers to feed in the second piece of rope. Same again, will just be held down by super glue. And I'm just adding the final deck support beam. And that's the final product. I hope you agree that it looks a lot better than it would have done if I'd built it the way the instructions. It looks more like the reference photo. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.